Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Gemini, air sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. And this is for December month. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Gemini, let's see your messages. Your first card for the reading, Queen of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. Yeah. So, I think your person is very stubborn, Gemini here, but you have strong emotions for your person. I think you are only the person in this connection, only giving, caring person. You always give, but not getting anything in return. But your person is very sneaky. Four of Pentacles with Seven of Swords. Definitely they are a manipulator. They're playing games with you, or definitely they cheated on you. They lied to you. They're very stubborn. Yeah, they're holding back. They're holding back their feelings. They are not expressing their feelings. For some, even though your person having some feelings for you, but they don't express. And yeah, Seven of Swords, this is very sneaky energy. Definitely your person playing mind games with you. For some, this could be third party also. But in your case, you have strong emotions for your person. You are very committed and you are very honest in this connection. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some more messages, then we will get more clarity. What's going on? The Lovers, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Swords. I think for some you are now concentrating on your career, Gemini, definitely, because this is you. Yeah, you're working towards your career very hardly. And Six of Swords, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different city, different countries, or different states. And the Lovers, definitely Lovers means you feel the intimacy, you feel the love, but your person not. I think there is only physical intimacy from your person side. There is no emotional. Okay, there is no emotional balance. From your person side, there is no emotional investment. They only in and out your life. Okay, because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Definitely you're working towards your goals, and definitely you want to move on from this person. For some definitely your person want to coming back for you, and they want to work on this relationship. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Here the two cases. For some, your person coming back and want to work on this relationship, Eight of Pentacles, but it is very slow moving energy. And Six of Swords, definitely they want to fix the things between both of you, Gemini. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Let's see some more. Five of Wands, Five of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, still there are some disturbances going between you and your person. Definitely there are some fightings, misunderstandings between you. And yeah, I think for some your person ready to fight for attention, I think, but you are not interested. You are working towards your goal. Yeah, Gemini, but your person coming back with solid offer. For some, definitely they want to offer long-term stability to this connection. So if you already know that your person that putting you in third party, please don't give another chance. If it is not third party, then think, okay, otherwise it's up to you. But they are coming back with solid offer. For some you are now concentrating on your career and working towards making money, Gemini. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's see some more. Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you guarded up this time. You are protecting your heart from your person, because in past they did something to you. There is no equal give and take, or for some they may not be treat you well. Yeah, because you deserve best. Yeah, I think it could be you or your person. Definitely you are also feeling sad for the separation, but you have to work, you have to move on, because there is no another way. For some your person feeling like this and they want to communicate you. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. You will receive some communication from your person and Gemini. Yeah, definitely they want to express their feelings this time, because in past Four of Pentacles with Seven of Swords, they are very stubborn. They are not expressing their feelings, but this time they want to express their feelings to you. Eight of Wands, back and forth communication. Definitely you will receive some communication from your person, and but you guarded up. Yeah, this time you holding back. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings and actions. Lot of Cards. Gemini. Your person current feelings and actions. Okay. Feelings wise, Ten of Swords, Four of Wands and Page of Pentacles. Definitely communication. I think you will receive some message from your person, and definitely communication. First they want to test the waters. Okay, then there will be back and forth communication between both of you. And Four of Wands with Page of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. Definitely there is some painful ending. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some there will be new beginning. Okay, and Four of Wands with Princess of Pentacles. Definitely your person wants celebration with you. Four of Wands, and you both could be twin flames also. Yeah, the Moon, the Chariot and Ace of Wands. Definitely they want passionate new beginnings. And the Chariot means definitely your person want to, definitely they will take action towards you, but they are in very slow moving energy, because Chariot is also very slow moving energy. And the Moon, still your person may be hiding something from you, because the Moon is illusions. For some it could be illusions also. For some really that your person may be hiding something. Okay, Ace of Wands, but they want passionate new beginnings. Yeah, your person want passionate new beginnings, Gemini. Definitely they will take action towards you. They want celebration with you. So if you really know that your person putting you in third party, don't give second chance. Okay, because Seven of Swords with Four of Pentacles, they are stubborn. They are not expressing their feelings. There is no equal give and take also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Knight of Pentacles, Empress, okay, Five of Cups, separation, Page of Cups. I think your person want to tell apology to you. Definitely some messages, apology. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. They are feeling very, very sad for the separation, but you are in very slow moving energy. You are taking your time, you are taking your space, and Empress, you stand by your power. It's you, it's your energy. These are mutual energies, but these yous and this is your person I am getting, because I think connection wise, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level, but you stand by your power. You are taking your steps very slowly. Yeah, Gemini, but they are coming back with an apology, and they want to take action towards you, and they want a reconciliation with you. Yeah, it's up to you what to give another chance to your person or not. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. See, I already told you, stand by your power. Devil, obsession, King of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles. Still there is separation between both of you. For some there is no contact between both of you, but King of Pentacles, I think your person is coming back with solid offer, but there is some obsession. I think your person may be obsessed with you. Definitely they are obsessed with you. And the Empress, but you stand by your power. Wow, you overcome all this pain. Okay, after the separation, definitely you stand by your power. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. especially Capricorn. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Magician, Justice, Star, Five of Swords. Yeah, some fightings. Definitely they see you as a star in their life. Justice, they want second chance. Definitely. And Magician, they're manifesting you back. Definitely they want this reunion with you and they are manifesting you back. Gemini. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.